Okay. Spin, lift, ready. Then attack on one side.
Technique number 2, Bianca's gonna share with us is...
Yung setup attack. Okay?
Okay.
So usually, yung from the first tactic, kapag na-return ng opponent yun, coming from the back,
Yeah.
na-return niya dito, either nakapag-passing siya or nakapag-net shot siya here in front. What I do is I spin it, talagang spin, they lift, I attack, done. I think yun yung, kumbaga, if hindi natin napatay sa first tactic, ito yung second tactic na we
Yeah.
can do to end the rally.
Okay.
Yun. Hindi naman siya 100% kasi madami ring players na kaya makapag-defend ng shuttle na mabilis. Pero I think for me, effective. Yeah,
Okay.
lalo na kapag maganda yung net shot. Okay. Spin, lift, ready. Then attack on one side. Again, you spin it, maganda, attack on one side. Okay?
Yeah.
Ang key points lang na you have to remember.
Off balance sila.
Yes. Pag off balance, pwede ka umatake na mas malakas. But, if for example, yung spin mo is not good enough, medyo hindi siya masyado nag-spin, dumulo yung lobo nila. Kahit half smash, pwede naman na.
Yeah. Alright, if you guys have any more questions, leave it in the comments down below. See what you want to see next. Bye!
Bye!